happening right now in Okigwe. No be small, they say that the Nigerian military don't carry their kala and everything enter inside the community, go scatter one primary school, one school where they for inside the community, they burn it down. My people, no be small, remember that this same thing was the same thing that happened in also happened in various parts of Imo State, which we'll do the video and asking, is it burning the premises, burning people's house is the end of the whatever they claim is happening there? We are asking this question. Why are they burning people's house and demolishing people building than going after the people they come for and catch them? If you think they did wrong, bring them to the justice. And no one said nothing about this thing. Suddenly, Ijele and his group start bringing pictures and videos showing you that it was Nnamdi Kanu ESN that did these things. And we still come outside in this channel and say that this is a lie. When the Nigerian army is burning these places, we'll make the video about it. But nobody said anything about it. So, guys, I'm going to play you the video. And I'm going to play you a video of the Biafra government in exile. The leader, current leader now. What he said, Nigeria government think that Nigeria is still existing. That Nigeria is gone. And also play you a video of Simon Ekpa. He made reference of arresting one general. He begged Donald Trump to come and fight and arrest one general. When you finish watching, drop your own opinion and share this video for more updates.
Ndani biro Okigwe bịa gbuo mmadụ ọkụ. Bịa gbuo mmadụ ọkụ na lekwe ọka na-enwe ọkụ sef. The house. Bịa gba school ọkụ. Akwata 29. Akwata 29. Lekwe ụlọ ha gbara ọkụ na primary school. Primary school no. Aya wonye na ha na ga woni ike agwa ile pe lula ha gbara ọkụ ọka na-enwe ọkụ ọka na-enwe ọkụ ọwintel mmadụ nyere hintel ha bịa na primary school abịa gba primary school ọkụ just since our primary school ta 29th akwata awo Tuesday akwata Tuesday ta Wednesday today being Wednesday 2026. Here April kaino. When April? April 29th. When you knock Okigwe. Ndani ebidekole again. Ndani ebidekole again.
Long video.
Lenia. They start now 29th of April. Akunu na here. Akunu na here. Ndami bia bulo ọkụ. Bia ba school ọkụ. School ana here for many years. Akuna here, and then I be about your Kakwacha piece. I quit hunger. I be about your clear other Kashala. Akuna here, learning school. How can they go not a pool? How can I tap all the Guinea? Akuna here, other Kashala just now they play the Shakuna here. Now 29 of April. Akuna here, Leah, other Kashala, Lenia. Ora le peta. Ora le peta.
E kulo na mbra kana Okigwe na.
Ora le peta. Le
ndani biro Okigwe bịa gbuo mmadụ ọkụ.
29. Life and direct akuna here.
Bịa gbuo mmadụ ọkụ na lekwe ọka na-enwe ọkụ sef.
Akuna here.
The house.
Ha sa men attack akuna.
Bịa gba school ọkụ.
Akuna here.
They think Nigeria is still existing. But that's why they keep failing, because as they are plotting and planning, just like they used to plan before, it's backfiring every second. There's nothing, I'm telling you, not this freedom we have legally gotten with the documents we have. They can't go anywhere. The style, that style they used to use in the past, they are failing by the second. So when they attack, you don't even take it. Those are the things Nigeria government will continue to do. So while they are busy doing that, my job is to make sure Nigeria crumbles. collapses 100. That is to 0. And it's happening every day. That is the job of every Biafran, every genuine Biafran. We must collapse Nigeria so that we can have our own nation. So we are not part of that collapse, which Tinubu and co have caused for that part of the world. They were knowingly doing what they were doing by reintegrating terrorists into that part of the world. Christopher Musa is fully aware of what he was doing. So anyone telling you, Ababio, is that not his name? He's fully aware of what they were doing, the evils that were causing that entity called Nigeria and the indigenous people, just so that they can win elections and keep having people to vote for them. Now, those terrorists they brought in to vote for them have refused to go. Rather, they are bringing more of their own people, and they've settled in most parts of northern Nigeria. Western part of Nigeria is already going. Biafra territory, they recognize is that we are freedom fighters. So they respect that. It's only Nigerian politician Tinubu, Soludo, and co are the ones that are now fighting us, because the terrorists they brought, they've refused to come and fight us. So they forced them, they settled them in different parts of Biafra territory. But we've told them to leave, and they are leaving. While they are leaving, Tinubu and Soludo and those of them, they are not happy, and Oti, Fubara and co, they are not happy that the terrorists are leaving Biafra territory. So they are using their own militia, like those Ikengurago and Ijele and co, all those people, to now cause mayhem in Biafra territory. But we're not going to allow them. We will still make sure they leave our land. It is a collective task of Biafrans to ensure that every element of Nigeria leaves Biafra land. It's not for Dr. Robese. Any of you waiting for Dr. Robese, you're wasting your time. It is not my job alone. It is a collective task of all of us to ensure that every element of Nigeria is removed from Biafra territory. I'm doing my own very, very well. You must do your own. Those of you in homeland, you must do your own. If you are genuinely following Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu and genuinely following the Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, forget those criminals that are saying it is only when Onyendu Nnamdi come out that they will start fighting for Biafra. They have no clue. These are elements that have nothing, have no information, no knowledge of what freedom means. They don't know. And those that are planted by the Nigerian state to attack, they will ask, what has Dr. Roberts, what has the cabinet done? Ask them, the one that they believe, the one that PM Simon Ekpa has done, what have they done to him? Upon all the one they think PM has done, they were the same one that connived with the Nigerian state to put him in prison. It is this same Biafrans now that you see, what has Dr. Roberts done? They colluded with Nigeria to put PM, innocent man, in prison. They were the same one that colluded with Nigerian state to put Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu in prison. So did they ask, what did Onyendu do? What is Nnamdi Kanu doing? What is Simon Ekpa doing? Did they ask that? No, they did not ask that. But privately, behind the scene, they were colluding. They colluded with the Nigerian state to put Onyendu in prison, to put PM in prison. And now they say, where is that terrorist? We are peacefully restoring Biafra. Go and tell them. If they don't like the peaceful way, let them go and do it their own way. Everyone has a right to do it their own way. The United States of Biafra government will continue to use the legal way and the peaceful way to ensure that Nigeria leaves our country. Those are the standards set both by the international and all the local organizations. And I will ensure that we continue to maintain that. That is why I must know what you are doing in this freedom movement. I have to approve that. Because at the end of the day, the cabinet of the United States of Biafra, the 40 state governors, the mission heads. They are the ones that are responsible for this new nation that we are creating.
The American government, Donald Trump, after sorting out this Iran issue, must look into this man. Even as we are talking about Biafra, there is no difference between this Burutai and this man that was killed in Iraq. When the United Nations came to say Burutai should be serious in combating Boko Haram, it is just ordinary talking. This man you are looking at, this Tuku Burutai you are looking at, not only that he is a Boko Haram member, but he has continued to recruit Boko Haram into Nigeria military. Today, people in Nigeria military, they are fleeing. Today, people in the Nigeria soldiers, they are fleeing, they are disappearing because of this man. Because of this man. He is as bad as this Soleimani. If American government, with that, since they are taking interest in Nigeria, this man, if he is not stopped, he is responsible for all the terrorists, to upsurge of all the terrorism, upsurge of all the Boko Haram terrorism in West Africa. The sudden upsurge and the sudden strength of Boko Haram is this man you are looking at. So there is no difference. No difference. He is the Suleiman of Nigeria. He is the Suleiman of Nigeria. He hides under military uniform, and what he does is to make sure he continue to implement Islamic State of West Africa, conquering Nigeria. So he has recruited hundreds and hundreds and hundreds Boko Haram members into Nigeria army.
You are playing to the hand of agents, including my own enemies, who want to use insecurity to get rid of me. I'm a very stubborn politician. I just refuse to go. And I will campaign for my second term. I will work hard.
My people, drop your own opinion inside comment section and share this video.